Guys, I'm Mohammad Shahzad. Let's start another video related to Python. So today we are going to see how to install PyCharm. It's a editor your work in environment to do some Python programmings. So let's start that. First of all, I would like to show you how to download the Python. If you don't the PyCharm, sorry. If you don't know the place, you just go into Google and just type PyCharm. There is other text editors for working with the Python language, but I like the PyCharm. That's why I'm using that. You can use others also, but this is the most popular, which everybody likes. So you will go and just type PyCharm. It will take you to this jetbrains.com, and if you go on this, next page will come here, PyCharm. You can download, click on download, and it will take to the next page like this. There is two versions, one is professional and one is community. So for the starting and beginning, community is enough. You can do a lot of work, make a lot of project without any restrictions. So after clicking this, it will take you to this page and it will download. So I have already downloaded this PyCharm. So let's start installation. So I'll open the folder where my downloaded file. I will just double click and to start. Okay, run. Yes. There was before that there was like a user control message. You have to click yes if you are installing on Windows 10. So I did yes, and then I came here, next. Here you can give your destination folder. If you have made a separate, you can do it. So the space is required 674 MB, and space available is 32 GB, which is more than enough. I will go next. So here you can use check if you have you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, add a folder in a project, and association with .py. You can check and update the patch available if you wanna add a launches dir to the paths. If you want to do that, you can check this one also. So I will leave this one as it is, or you can check because my internet is not connected. Let's see. So I will go next. Okay, this is your starting menu folder. Install. It will take a little time. This way. Stick with me. If you want to see the show details, you can see the different type of files is extracting and installing all the libraries and related work environments. So after this one is completed, it will ask you to go for reboot. So you must reboot your computer and then do it again. So what I will do, I will stop my video. So then I will restart my computer, and then I will come back, and then we'll go continue this video for the next level. Okay, after running the PyCharm, I'm back after restart my computer. Let's go and see. So here you can see that our one icon of PyCharm is here. So I will double click. Okay, it's a privacy message, the acceptance of an agreement. So we'll confirm and continue. And it's saying if you want to share some data to them with the JetBrains guys, so that you can send. Otherwise I will don't send. Okay, so this one is like next feature or skip as default. So I don't want to download any other plugins right now. It's enough for me. I will skip and set as default. Okay, so here is the Python. So you check first thing here into the settings. Your appearance, here is the theme mode, like a different ones. There is different if somebody like, but I like the dark a lot, so I will use this one. Okay, and I will start a new project. I will create a new project. Okay, so name of the project, my first project. So secondly, you have to see is the base interpreter. Your Python should be there. So our one is here. So I will go for create. It's loading. So it's started. This one our editor. I will just don't need a tips. I will close. I'll make some maximize after this. Okay, so here you go. So here is your first project. We can start. My first project we created in the editor. So what to do? Usually you have to go here or right click on this one, your project, make a new Python file, give a name. I will give hello world and hit enter. Here you go. So first I will show you. I will set print, and in the print I will code hello world. Okay, and enter. So I can show you how it will do. So we written this one line code, and I will go in run, and I will just say run. Which app? This one, hello world, and you can see it's processed and printed out hello world here. So this is a nice PyCharm editor, so you can start your project building here in this. Hopefully if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new upcoming videos. Thank you very much.